Hey everyone, so in this little tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use my Lightroom presets on your desktop Lightroom program. So first thing first, when you download and you import the Lightroom presets in your program, they are going to appear right here in this corner. My Nature Lover pack consists of 10 presets and one bonus presets, which is called Bonus Autumn Magic. My presets work best with photos that I shoot in the nature, somewhere outside, and it doesn't matter if this is in the mountain, in the forest, right in front of a lake, or in the jungle, or on the beach. They work best with nature photos. So now I'm gonna show you how each filter works with different kind of photos. The first thing that I wanted to let you know is that my presets won't affect the exposure of your photos that much. So maybe the first thing you will need to do is bring the exposure a little bit higher or bring it down. It depends on how bright your photos are at that moment. Another thing that will affect the quality of your photos and the colors is the format that you're shooting. I always shoot in RAW because this is the best format for taking photos and after that editing them, because RAW format brings the most information about the photo, like lighting, colors. The quality of the photo is much better. If you wanna edit a photo, if you shot in RAW, you can bring up the colors and brighten the colors and make them different than they were originally if they are in RAW. So now I'm gonna show you my first preset, how it's gonna work with that photo. My first preset is called Forest Escape, so I need a forest photo for that one, but it's not only for forest photo. Anyway, I'm gonna show it right now. First I'm gonna bring the exposure up a little bit like that, and then I'm gonna click over the preset. Then it's applied on my photo. I need to bring the exposure a little bit more, and I think it's much better like that. So here in this particular photo, the lighting is very bright here, so I'm gonna also bring the highlights a little bit down like that, and also the whites. So now I think this is much better, but maybe we can also bring the blacks a little bit, because I want this photo to be more bright and colorful. I think this is much better like right now. So this is the before, this is the after. Let's try the second preset with another forest photo. This is the Forest Escape Cozy preset. I'm gonna apply it right over this one. I think the exposure is good enough. Let's see how it's gonna work with that preset. Alright, I like it, but I'm gonna bring the exposure a little bit more, like this. Yeah, okay, I think now this is much better. Okay, so let's move forward. You see, just with one click and almost nothing else, you can achieve a very nice looking photo. The next preset is Forest Escape Golden Rosé. I'm gonna use this one for this. And I'm gonna click over the preset Forest Escape Golden Rosé, and we have a nice golden rosé touch over our photo already. I'm bringing up the exposure just a little bit like that. I just love the vibrant and bright colorful photos. So now we have, just with 2 clicks, this edit ready for us. Next one is Mother Nature's Colors. I'm gonna use this particular photo for that. I'm gonna click over the preset, and there we have it. This one is a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna bring down the exposure to 0.00, and I think this is quite good. I forgot to tell you guys that if you're doing photos for Instagram, maybe it's gonna be useful for you if you click the crop tool here and then select the aspect to be 4:5. So this is the Instagram aspect photo ratio. So we have that photo already edited and I like it very much. So let's move to the next one, which is called Mother Nature's Warm Feelings. Alright, I'm gonna try this preset over, let's see, no, over this photo. So we have a little bit of sky here. Let's see how it's gonna work. I'm clicking over the preset and it's applied. Alright, let's see the before. Okay, I like it, and bringing the exposure a little bit, just like a little bit. And here we have this photo already. I like it like that, and I don't think to do any other adjustments on it. So next one is Mother Nature's Warm Feelings Green. I'm gonna try this photo with that preset. And let's see what magic are we gonna create now. Okay, here we have it. I don't think that photo needs any corrections except the cutting process. So the next preset is called Warm and Pink Kiss by the Nature. I'm gonna apply it on this photo because it's very close to my heart and it's warm and it's very nice memory. So let's see, let's bring up the exposure a little bit, then click over the preset and we have our edit. Here is the photo. This is me and my love. We were very happy. So this is the edit. I really like it. So here I'm gonna show you how you can use one of those adjustment tools. You just need to click over the adjustment brush, which is on the right top corner of that little menu. And then I created my blue dreamy skies on that platform. So I just go over it by left clicking the mouse and applying this brush locally, and we just have our beautiful sky popping up like this, and it brings the clouds up a little bit. So I like it really much. You can play with those adjustments here, like bringing it the temperature a little bit colder, the exposure a little bit down, the contrast a little bit down, the highlights down, the shadows up, the whites down, the blacks up, and you can apply the color you like from here. So I think this is quite good. It looks quite good with this guy. Let's move forward with the next preset, which is called Perfect Sunny Nature Greens. I'm gonna use that photo for that because we have lots of greens here, and I'm gonna just bring the exposure a little bit up. As you see, we always shoot with lower exposure because this gives us opportunity to bring the colors much more up after that. If you, for example, shoot with higher exposure, your photo will be burned out and it will be super hard to bring the colors back, and it won't look natural. So let's try this preset, Perfect Sunny Nature Greens. Alright, bringing the exposure up, and here we have it. I also want to try this preset on this photo, that's why I uploaded it here, because we also have this green. So I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work with another photo, perfect sunny greens. Nature greens is one of my favorite presets, but we have to bring the exposure up again. So as you look, it makes it look much more sunnier, that photo. The weather was really bad and cloudy when we were at that location, so it's good to just make it a little bit sunnier, but doesn't mean that if you're shooting somewhere that it's not so that is sunny, it's gonna look even better. Like I'm gonna show you on, let's see on that photo. This photo, it was sunny when we took it, and let's just click on reset, and I'm gonna apply this preset over it so you will see how it's gonna work with it. I really love how it works with sunny photos. As you can see, this is really nice. I also prefer that preset for that photo. And so the next one is Nature Magic. I'm gonna try it on this one because I think it's gonna make a magic from it. Yay! Let's bring the exposure up a little bit again, and this is the final result. Let's cut it for Instagram like this, 4 to 5. Let's adjust a little bit the direction of that photo, and we have it. Oops, what's up? Yeah, here we are with that little friend of mine. Yeah, she was such a cutie. I miss this doggy. So let's move to the next one, which is our Nature Lover Portrait preset, which I created to work best with portrait photos that are shot in nature. And I'm gonna show you on this one photo how it's gonna work. Nature Lover Portrait. Yeah, here is the photo, here is the edit. I really like how it works on skin, and it pops out the covers that surrounds the person, and it looks really nice. Here is on another photo, same preset, Nature Lover Portrait. Here it is. Really nice. I love it. And last but not least, my bonus Autumn Magic preset. It works incredibly good with photos that are shot in the autumn season, but not only. But as you can see, it brings it a little bit more of a dreamy and it look, and it brings out the autumn colors very well. I'm gonna show it to you on this one too, and this is how it makes it look a little bit more like orange and gold. It makes it look really magical. Let's see how it works with, for example, that photo that it's not really autumn photo. Let's click on reset and then apply the Autumn Magic preset, and there we have it. I will bring down the exposure. This photo has pretty good exposure. As you can see, it works good also with regular photos that are not shot in the autumn season. So this is quite everything of my Lightroom presets demonstration. I hope that you will love them, and they're really easy to work with. If you also want to use only the mobile presets version, I'm doing also tutorial how to work with my mobile version presets, and I'm gonna put the link down below also to the presets where you can purchase them, and also to the mobile tutorial, and so you can experiment and try all the presets on one photo. I think they work pretty well with all photos, so it's easy to use them. I hope you will love how your feed will turn out. I can't wait to see your before and afters. And actually, that reminds me of my idea that I wanted to try and show you how my presets work with your photos. So some of you sent me photos and I decided to show you how they work on photos that are JPEGs and that are shot with lower quality than mine, and I just wanted to show you how easy you can work with them too. So let's see how it's gonna work, this one, with my preset Nature Magic, for example. Yeah, I think this one is gonna be great for that photo. And here is the before and after of this beautiful girl's photo. I really love it, how it turned out. Really nice, really cool. Let's see the Nature Lover portrait edit. As you can see, it works also good, but I like that in the preset Nature Magic, it brings a little bit of the pink sunset light behind the beautiful girl we have here. So let's see this one. This one is also really nice. Let's see how it works with Forest Escape, for example. As you can see, it works really good. Let's bring the exposure down a little bit. It looks really good with that preset, even though it's not shot in the forest. This one is shot in the forest. Let's see how it's gonna work with my Forest Escape Cozy or Golden Rosé, I think, because the girl is wearing pink sweater and pink leggings, so I think the Forest Escape Golden Rosé looks really good on that photo. With one click we have this edit. I'm totally in love with that edit. I'm not gonna even touch the exposure. And one more, let's see, with the Perfect Sunny Greens, Perfect Sunny Nature Greens. You can see how dreamy, especially the blonde hair pops up so nice. I love it really. Yes, I'm not gonna touch anything else on that photo. So this is how my presets work pretty much. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. And if you have any questions, you can contact me every time with your questions. I'm here to help you. You can also send me your photo and see if you have something unclear or if you think that your photos are not good enough. I will give you some tips. So thank you so much for watching my video, for purchasing my presets. I hope you will love how your feed is gonna look like after using my presets, and I wish you a lovely day or evening and send you lots of love. Bye!